Hey Navy, welcome back to my channel, loves. So today I installed some pop smoke or on the scalp jumbo braids. I don't really know what I'm gonna call them yet or what they are called, but that's besides the point. And by the way, y'all, this is from me dipping my ends in water. I promise I'm not leaking, okay? Those are mother issues. Not dealing with that right now. Literally just the water, I promise. But yeah, so I just finished and let's just say I had some technical difficulties, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all all the mistakes that I did make. Y'all gonna see where I went wrong, because I was like, oh no, baby, no. That was not it, okay? Like, and honestly, still, they're okay. This was my first time doing them, y'all. But I was like, let me just record it, and I'm gonna show y'all my flaws and where I went wrong. That way y'all can do it better. And this is really for anyone who's not really a professional braider, myself, but still wants to achieve a hairstyle. And I'm probably gonna wear it for like a few days. This is like a quick hairstyle. Like, that's all I can do now as a mother, is quick hairstyles. So, you know, this is how it came out. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to get right into it. But I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these braids, what I did wrong, and how I kind of sort of fixed it. Let me know what y'all think. This is how long they are. So yeah, let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, I have this front part sectioned off, and I'm using this gel. That's the OG gel from back in the days. Never does me wrong. And I'm just sectioning off my braiding hair. The one that I'm using is pre-stretched, so it's so easy to like separate, unlike that Kanekalon. So as y'all can see, I'm literally just placing it over my index finger and continuing to braid. And I would say I'm adding hair about every 2 to 3 braids that I do. And I would add like a generous amount if I were you. You're gonna see why in a minute, because I'm gonna show y'all where I messed up. But the thicker, the better for this hairstyle, in my opinion. So y'all can see how often and how much hair I'm adding. And of course, you're going to continue to just braid it all the way down. And make sure that you're adding hair towards the end just as much as the beginning, because when I first did it, I realized that most of my hair was being added towards the top. Now, if you want it longer, like how I made mine a little bit longer, like all the way down to my butt, you want to add, you know, the hair towards the end as well. And also that'll help keep the consistency of how thick your braid is going all the way down. So yeah, I hope that made sense. I already redid the other side, and now I'm just showing y'all this side and, you know, how much hair I'm adding and all that. Honestly, I feel like I could have done with adding even more, because clearly, y'all, my braids are not perfect. And I feel like the smaller the braids, the more you can see the part, the more you can see how not perfect your parts actually are. So just keep that in mind. So after I show y'all what I originally did, I'm gonna come back and complete this look, you know, dip my ends, do my edges and all that. So on to me looking busted. So this is the day before, you guys, and of course I have freshly washed hair and everything. And I just put some regular Shea Moisture styling gel in my hair to you know, kind of revamp it. And I started off with trying to use the comb to like part it to get really defined lines going down, considering they are feed-in braids. But that just was not really working, so I just went ahead and braided it down. But as y'all can see, I'm just braiding it like it's my just natural hair. Like I'm doing a really natural braid versus it being thick going all the way down. I only made it thick towards the ends. So long story short, I was looking like a knockoff Pop Smoke, like. And don't ask me why I just continued on doing the same thing. Like, I kind of noticed, but I kind of thought it would all come together. Like, I didn't realize until I was basically almost done that this ain't it. But as y'all can see, I'm just, you know, going along with it, thinking I'm doing something. But yeah, I am adding hair and adding more hair towards the end, but not enough. So it's like really thin at the top, and then, you know, I continue on going all the way down. So yeah, y'all can see how thin the pieces of braiding hair that I was adding were. Hopefully you can see the difference between this first time versus the next day when I kind of went in and added thicker pieces. Like I said before, feel free to add even more hair. As y'all saw when I showed you the braiding hair, it did come in a 3-pack, so I got 2 of those. And it was enough to complete this hairstyle, which was 4 braids on each side. But you know, of course, if you're making it thicker and longer, you're gonna need more hair, so keep that in mind as well if you're gonna recreate this. And of course, where your hair ends and the braiding hair continues on, make sure you add you know, a little extra gel and just comb and brush that part, that way it tucks in nicely. But yeah, y'all, this first time, But also, if you are a beginner braider, what actually makes a lot of styles just look more complete and as if you finessed it is once you do your baby hairs and tie it down. Like, after that, you're gonna be good. And y'all know Kyson had to make his little appearance. But yeah, fast forward to the next day after I made those little corrections. I just went in and did my baby hairs, and I got some mousse and set that all in, tied it down, and that was really it, y'all. Trying to be cute. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whew. That's some hot stuff. Y'all get the point. Water boiling, hot, steam.